Welcome to Flat River Electric, where we're committed to helping you power your electric vehicle with our EV charger installation services. As the demand for electric vehicles continues to grow, we understand the importance of having reliable and efficient charging options available. With our team of experienced electricians, we can provide you top-notch installation services that are tailored to meet your unique needs. Whether you need a level 1 or level 2 fast charger, we have the expertise and equipment to get the job done right. So if you're ready to take your EV charging to the next level, contact Flat River Electric today.